How to deactivate Instagram account. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel and let's get started. For that, launch your Instagram app, get logged into your specific Instagram account which you would like to deactivate, then tap onto your profile. Once done, tap on three-bar icon. Under your account, tap on Accounts Center. Then tap on Personal Details under Account Settings. Here, tap on Account Ownership and Control. Then select Deactivation or Deletion. Make sure that you tap on this deactivate account and not delete account. This action is temporary, but if you delete your account, there is no going back. So tap on deactivate account, tap continue. And lastly, you have to type in your password in order to confirm your action. Once done, tap on continue and your account will be deactivated. If you would like to reactivate your account, you may go ahead and do that anytime. So guys, this is all for today. Thank you for watching.